In this video lecture, I will discuss pointers arithmetic in C. So all type of arithmetic operations are not possible with pointers. So the only valid operations that can be performed are increment and decrement of a pointer, addition of integer to a pointer, and subtraction of integer to a pointer, subtracting two pointers of the same type, and comparison of pointers of the same type. Pointer arithmetic is somewhat different from ordinary arithmetic. So here what happens, all arithmetic is performed relative to the size of base type of point. So size of data type is machine dependent. So if we say 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine, so size of each data type will vary based on the size of the, whether it is 32-bit system or 64-bit or 16-bit system. So the result may vary on different machines. So for example, if we have an integer pointer variable pi, okay, so if I say I have a pointer variable pi and base type is integer, okay, and which contains the address 1000. So the pointer variable pi, the address is 1000. Okay, and then on incrementing, we will get 1004 instead of 1001. So we, after incrementing, we'll get 1004, assuming that the size of integer data type is 4. If int size is 4 bytes. Okay. Similarly, on decrementing, now if I say this is after incrementing. For decrementing, if I want to decrement a pointer variable pi, so decrementing pi will get 996 instead of 999. So why? Because the address is 1000, so this is the address of pi. So incrementing pi will give me 1004 and decrementing pi will give me 996 because the address is 1000 and the size of integer is 4 bytes. So 1000 minus 4, so 996 we will get. Okay, and if I say the expression pi plus 3, okay, so pi plus 3 will represent the address 1012. So how? Because the address of pi is 1000 and then size of integer is 4 byte, so it will be 1012. So if we add or subtract an integer from a pointer, so see, this is a pointer variable and we are adding 3, or we subtract 3 from the pointer variable, means any integer addition or subtraction from the pointer variable, the result is another pointer of the same type. So for example, let's take one more example. If I say we have a variable char, okay, we have a variable char, okay, a, and the value we have initialized here x, and pc is a pointer variable that is having the address of a, and we have integer variable b and the value is 5, and a pointer variable pi is having the address of p. So pc is a character pointer, pi is an integer pointer, and then we have another variable c that is of double type and the value is 4.564, and a pointer variable pd is having the address of c. Okay, suppose we say address of a, b and c are 1000, 4000 and 5000. Okay, and so we say we have a variable a, b and a variable c. Address is 1000 here, this is 4000 and this is 5000, and a pointer variable pc is having the address of A, so it will have 1000. Pi will have the address of B, so that means 4000, and PD will have the address of C, so that means 5000. Okay, so this is pointing to this is pointing to this, and this PC is pointing to variable A. Okay, now the value of PC will be 1000, the value of PI will be 4000, and the value of PD will be 5000. Now if I say PC plus plus or plus plus PC, either post increment or pre increment. So PC is a pointer variable that is of character type, and we assume the size of char is 1 byte. Okay, and the size of int, we say suppose it is 4 byte, and the size of double is 8 byte. Okay, so PC plus plus means the if it is pointing to 1000. Okay, so the PC plus increment operator will because the size of the character is 1 byte, so PC will be 1000 plus 1, so that is 1001. Why? Because the size of char is 1 byte. Now if I say PC is equal to PC minus 3. So PC is equal to PC minus 3. So it will be the value, now it is pointing to 1001 location, and then minus 3 is equal to 998. And if I say PC is equal to PC plus 5, so it will be 998 plus 5. So we can write like this, 5 into 1, and here 3 into 1. Okay, here also 1 into 1, because size of char is 1 byte, so it will be 1003. Okay, and then if I say PI, pointer variable PI is of integer type and size of int is 4 byte. So if I say PI plus plus or plus plus PI, so how we will calculate? So PI is equal to, PI is what? It is 4000, right? It is pointing to B, and the address is 4000. So it will be 4000 plus 4. Why? Because um, size of integer is 4 bytes, so it will be 4004 instead of 4001. Okay, and then Pi is equal to, if I say Pi minus 3, so then it will be 4004, currently it is pointing to 4004, minus 3 into 4, because size of integer is 4 byte, so this will be 3992. Okay, same way, if I say I have a pointer variable PD that is of double type. Okay, so then if I say PD plus plus or plus plus PD, so this will give me, PD will be nothing but, it is 5000, so 5000 plus 8. Okay, instead of 5001 it will be 5008, because size of double is 8 byte. And if I say PD is equal to PD minus 3, so it will be 5008 minus 3 into 8, so 4984. So this is how pointer arithmetic will be performed. So let's take few more example. I'll show how in memory it will be shown. So for example, if I say um, we have a pointer variable pi, okay, that is of integer type, suppose. Okay, and suppose we say a pi uh, is having value 1000. That means it is pointing to 1000, memory address location 1000, and the address of pi is 5000. Okay, so in memory it will be something like this. So If I say this is 1000, this is 1001, then 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, like this. Okay. Now for so pi is pointing to pi is having 1000 means it is pointing this. Okay. Now if I increment pi, it will be pointing to 1004. So now if I say pi is equal to pi plus 2. So this will be nothing but 1000 plus 2 into 4. So this will be 1008. Okay. So that means now pi will be having 1008. Okay. And this is some address of pi. So now pi will be pointing to 1008 location. So that's how pointer arithmetic will be performed. And there are some operations that cannot be performed on pointers. Those operations are addition, multiplication and division of two pointers. Okay. So we say the operation which cannot be performed on pointer variables are addition, multiplication and division. So we say addition, multiplication and division operation on of two pointer variable is not permitted. Similarly, multiplication between two pointer variable also is not. Multiplication between pointer and we will say multiplication between pointer and any number is also not allowed. Okay. And then the third operation is division of a pointer by a number. So division of a pointer by a number is also not allowed, and addition of float or double value to pointer. So this is also not allowed. So these are some of the operation that is not permitted for pointer variable: multiplication, addition and division of two pointer variable. Okay. And multiplication between pointer and any number, division of a pointer by a number and addition of float or double value to a pointer. So these are the operations that are not that cannot be performed on pointers. So these are the operation that are not performed on pointer variables. Okay. So hope you have understood the concept of pointers arithmetic in C. Thank you.